it's been forever since I've done a real video, which is my fault. I had something planned for like Halloween and I didn't like the way it was because it was so bad. I was trying to like make excuses to act like it was okay, but it was bad. So here we are, the day before New Year's, I think. I don't know. And I just want to do something good. I look busted because I literally just woke up and I just took my scarf off. But whatever, I'm gonna keep it real. I got a little pony and shout out to Ariana. And I hope this is good and I hope you enjoy, and make sure at the end of the video you give me a thumbs up or a like if you like the video and you want to see more. I'm going with my eyebrows, and I know like I always like say you guys know which product I'm using. I'm always using different stuff because I just want to see what works best. So today I'm using the NYX eyebrow gel. Put it here. And I got this at like Ulta, so you know, it's a steal. Okay, I semi-fixed my eyebrows, so we all came for the makeup. So put this on my eyelid. Okay, so after you cover your lids with like the concealer or whatever, okay, so I'm going with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna blend that in on your crease. Okay, and after you get done with doing all that, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm so bad at holding this, like, honestly. It's all over my face. This shade, it's so sunny yet. So now I'm gonna go in, oof, my goodness, with this shade right here, and you're just gonna put it like, you're gonna blend it on top of the previous shade. I don't even know what these are called, so that's not really gonna help you, is it? But yeah, just blend it on top of it so it's not like dark and heavy. That is so cool. Okay, so we're gonna like crease this out on the lid. So just take your concealer of your choice, your lid, and don't, it's okay if like you go like where you added the crease shades, because you can like easily just go back and fix them. To get it to like dry on there. So now I'm just gonna go back a little bit and fix the little lines, because if they got like messed up with the concealer. So I'm just gonna go back and take the little, I'm going back in the shades like specifically English, because this is what we're gonna use the most. So this shade right here, just a little pat. I think it's so crazy. I think it's so crazy that like the years almost over. I feel like we need a little bit more of 2018. Like, is that just me? Like, I feel like we just need a little bit more time. But also, like, I'm on break currently now, and I haven't done anything. Like, I've done stuff, but like I haven't done like anything important. So I think that's my New Year's resolution, is just to stop procrastinating. And then also get ready for prom. Though I've already done prom before, but this is like my prom now, and I don't want to like, I don't know. I don't want to like look bad. So maybe work out a little bit. That's insane for me to say, but just a little. Also, as I'm talking, I'm going in with like little light shades on my like brow bone to blend them. So if you want to do that, go ahead. I'm just keeping it blended. Also, shout out to my mom for giving me the Morphe 35V palette for Christmas and the Juvia's plate. I just had a brain fart. We're gonna go on top of like what we put the cut crease at, and we're going to just dirty whatever. And we're using the Jaclyn Hill 35V palette, very pretty. And we're gonna go take Coin. If you don't know, it's the shade. You can take any gold shade, but this one's like really pretty, so why not? And you're just gonna go on top of it. You're well, choice of words. You're going to follow the path that you made with your cut crease. Much better. Yes. So I'm gonna take. Is a good brush to use. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit. Like one of these would be like. So I'm gonna mix this shade in. Oh my god, it's so sunny. Okay, so this shade in with her. So also, I could like throw a New Year's Eve party with my family, and I don't know about you, I don't celebrate New Year's. It doesn't, I always feel it's like an excuse to like just get drunk or whatever, or like kiss somebody you don't know, and maybe that's just me. I just don't really like celebrate it, and now we have like family coming up there and stuff. And like I feel like things right now in my family are like rough, but if things are better with my family, maybe I enjoy it, but currently at the moment I'm not a happy trooper about having to throw this party. Oh my god, Bria. I'm trying to like get so heavy. Also, give a little review on these palettes, because these are all new, except for this one. I love them so much. They're so pretty. Can't say anything bad about them. So, you know. What's I gonna do? Oh, yes. My inner corner mat. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I do because I think it's cute. I'm gonna take bleach on my distortion palette. You can't see it because of the light, but bleach. And I like to go in my little like inner corner of my eye and like put the glitter on there. It's so like, it's very hollow. And it kind of blends in with the gold in my eye. But since I never like purple, I don't know, I just really don't like parties. I'm not really like, I'm socially awkward, so I kind of hate having to be forced to do such kind of a party, but you know, maybe I'll like it, maybe I won't hate it. I'm pretty sure I am gonna hate it, but well, no, that didn't work. Anyway, they're good excuse to just get dressed up and be cute, you know. Maybe I'll like it. I have outfits that I've got for Christmas that maybe I'll wear. I just hate parties, and it's never like anybody that I know, because my friends don't really live by me, so it's always like I'm by myself. I just hate it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go prime my face. I'm using the MAC matte primer. Oh my Jesus, I literally closed the blinds. It's still shining. It's shiny. Sure. I'm not good with English at all. I'm gonna go in, rub it everywhere that needs to be in. I was like a chicken when I do this. As I wait for my baking to dry, I'm gonna fix my hair, this ponytail, because I had curled it, and then okay, so off camera, I already did the highlighter, eyeliner, and mascara. For highlighter, I used the Juvia's Place. I don't know what this is called. Hold on, I'm gonna close it and figure out. It's called Nefertiti. This, cover this. Yeah, really pretty. Oh my god. I'm trying to figure out what lip I want to use, because this is always where it like goes. This might be where it all fails, but let's see. Like a Kim Possible character with just one lip. I feel like I made the wrong choice. It's so I took this one. You know, look at my hands, freaking ruined. I had to take the thing off and it was like smearing everywhere. But can we talk about how bad I am at putting lipstick on? Someone help me.